This shape you see will change how you draw faces from any angle. You're likely wondering why. Well, you'll find out. There are plenty of videos on YouTube that show how to draw faces with squares. It's not bad. In fact, I used this method when I started drawing. But why can the square harm your drawing? Well, first, let's try to draw a face from the front with a square. To begin with, what you might have noticed is that it is somewhat challenging to sketch a symmetrical square freehand, which can significantly affect your drawing. Well, let's try to draw the other viewing angles. The profile face is generally easier to draw, no matter the method. But on the other hand, when it comes to the three-quarter face, that's a whole different story. Already, drawing a square in perspective is complicated and very complex. Especially for a beginner, it can lead to quickly giving up. I recommend that you make use of the circle. It is straightforward and adaptable, and you don't have to draw it with perfect roundness. Moreover, it's a shape that will enable you to draw faces with ease and precision. Alright, we'll redo the angles, and you'll notice the change. Let's start with the front view of the face. Do you see the difference? Let me know in the comments, and if you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe if you haven't already. With that, let's move on to the profile face. Here, we notice that with the circle method, there is more precision and it's much more coherent and visible. Share your thoughts in the comments if you want to learn more about the circle method. Let's move on to the three-quarter view of the face. The circle method allows you to understand volumes without getting lost in perspective. Here's what it looks like. Try this technique and let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for additional tips. With that, I bid you farewell until next time.
In the world of ink and dreams, where the paper brightly gleams, guided lines and colors